The clock is ticking, and the stage is set for the potential ban of TikTok, the world-renowned social media giant. This unexpected turn of events has sent shockwaves through the digital world, and the ramifications are as unpredictable as they are far-reaching. The story begins in April of 2024, when a new law was signed into effect. This law, designed to address national security concerns, stipulated that TikTok, under its Chinese parent company, ByteDance, must be sold to a non-Chinese company by January 19, 2025, or face an outright ban in the United States. TikTok, in a bid to protect its interests, argued that the law unfairly targeted them and infringed on First Amendment rights. The company's defense hinged on the argument that the law was unconstitutional and a violation of free speech. However, a panel of federal judges disagreed, stating that the law was crafted to address control by a foreign adversary. In a recent development, a U.S. appeals court upheld the law, rejecting TikTok's arguments and emphasizing national security interests. This decision has sparked concerns among users and creators who rely on the platform, while also raising questions for President-elect Donald J. Trump, who has expressed support for the app. Despite TikTok's denial of sharing data with China, the court upheld the law, thereby moving the platform one step closer to a ban. TikTok plans to appeal to the Supreme Court, but it remains uncertain whether the law can be reversed. So what does this mean for the future? The potential ban of TikTok could have significant implications for the social media landscape. Competitors like Meta, YouTube, and Snap could greatly benefit from the absence of this social media titan. Critics argue that the ban violates First Amendment rights and sets a dangerous precedent for communication platforms. Yet, the primary concern remains national security, with the law aiming to prevent Chinese influence and data collection through the app. The tug-of-war between freedom of speech and national security continues, and the fate of TikTok hangs in the balance. This is a story of power, politics, and the digital world. It's a story that's still being written, and only time will tell how it ends. Stay tuned as the countdown to January 19, 2025 continues.